This is a Whirlpool 25 cubic feet French door refrigerator, and in this video I'll show you how to replace the water filter on the Whirlpool refrigerator. Hey guys, welcome to Daddicated. My name's Andy. I like to fix stuff, build stuff, and remodel stuff on this channel. If you enjoy this type of content, hit that subscribe button and let's begin. Step 1. Make sure you buy the right replacement filter by checking your serial number, which is located on the left side top corner inside of the fridge. Step 2. Typically your refrigerator will indicate when you need to replace your filter. As you can see, this one already telling me to order the filters. Step 3. Do me a favor and smash that like button. Step 4. The Whirlpool refrigerator water filter is located right here. In order to access it, take your finger and press the tab towards you and the cover will drop down. Step 5. Turn the filter counterclockwise until it comes out loose. You will see a little bit of water come out, so make sure you have a rag handy. I'll be using Filter Logic filter, which you can buy a pack of 3 for around $27 on Amazon. Or you can buy 1 pack of OEM Whirlpool brand for about $50. I'll have the links to both in the description below. Step 6. Pay attention to the orientation of these tabs while installing the filter. They should be installed horizontally as shown here. Then turn clockwise until it doesn't want to turn. Right away you will hear the water filling up the filter. Then close the cover. Next, take a cup and run the water to let the air out of the pipe. It is recommended to also flush the filter for at least about a gallon worth of water or run it for a few minutes. Finally, reset the filter by going to options, then hit reset, then confirm, and you're all set. Like and subscribe for more.